Welcome to Karishma's recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make green coconut curry chickpea recipe. So I take 1 large cup of grated coconut, 2 green chilies, little bit coriander, little bit ginger garlic paste. I mix it and I grind it. The ingredients are 1 large cup of onion, 2 medium size of tomatoes, little bit cilantro, or either you can use parsley. 1 spoon of garlic and 1 spoon of ginger, 2 bay leaves, 5 cloves and 3 cardamom. For garnish, little bit sesame seed. I take 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And some garnish for grated coconut and 2 green chilies, little chopped. Salt to taste and some cumin seed. The 1 large bowl of a chickpea. So let's start. I put my stove on a low medium flame and I put 3 spoons of oil. First I will saute the onion. Make sure your onion is a little bit brown. Mix it well with oil. And side by ginger garlic paste. Saute. Finely chopped green chilies, 2 medium size of tomatoes, and now I'm going to use 2 bay leaves, 5 cardamom and 5 cloves. Mix it well. It takes around 2-3 minutes to mix well. 2 tablespoons of cumin seed. Before I told you that I'm going to use some garam masalas, so I'm adding now. Now I'm going to add the green coconut chutney. Saute the bay leaves and cardamom leaves and cloves because it's give you a really nice aroma and a little bit spice. Now add some salt to taste. Here I'm using a sea salt. Add some little water. Let it boil around 5 to 7 minutes. Now we're going to add some chickpea. This recipe you can use as a dinner or lunchtime. You can eat with the rice or tortillas. It's delicious. Let's cook more 2 minutes. The thing is that if you want a gravy or thicker, don't add too much water. Put around like a half cup of water, or either you want very thin gravy, so you can add a little more water. How much you need it. If you want a more spicier, you can add more green chilies or red chilies, a little bit grinder paste, or a little bit extra tomatoes. Then it's give you a more spicier flavor. And if you don't, it's no need. Now we garnish with little bit cilantro, little bit of grated coconut, a little bit sesame seed. You can roast the sesame seed, either you can use as it is. If you like my recipe, coconut chickpea curry, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and don't miss it to icon bell. Thank you.